Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be teaching us how to make our payments in Zoho Books. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I remain yourself from Droidedge Consulting, and just like I said, I'm going to be teaching us how to record payments in Zoho Books, and it's so simple, seamless. It's something that you can easily do. All right, so how do we record payments for our customers? So as you all know, we need to go to our sales module, and then we find invoice, and then we find payment received, the payment that are being received from your customers. You can either click on this plus button or you click on the new button. But you see, you can record payment from this place, selecting the customer you want to make the payment for, the customer has paid, or maybe they paid that payment. You can click on the amount received and all that, and input the necessary things. And the moment you click on the customer, you are going to, okay, this customer doesn't have unpaid invoices. So let's change this. So the moment you click on the customer you click on is going to bring out all the unpaid invoices of that particular customer, right? And you can simply just add the payments from here, and there you go. You record your payment in Zoho Books. But let me show you a better way to do it, rather than just coming to the payment received screen or page to record payment and start picking your customer. You can simply just go to your invoice. Okay, you can simply just go to your invoice and select the invoice you want to make payment for. So we're having paid here. To Angela paid. Let's go to the ones that are not paid. So we have this. We have, we have for this. So we want to make payment. So let's look at the invoice. So there's a particular item of 25,000, and it is overdue by 9 days. So associated sales order and all that. So let's record our payment. You can easily record your payment from here. Just click on record payment, and we have our 25,000 here. Now, what about a case where the customer made just 5,000 naira payment out of the 25,000? Then you just have to write the amount that the customer made. So in this case, let's have 5,000. If there are bank charges that is particular payment, then you can specify. You should specify. If there's TDS attached to this, then you should specify, and all that. The quantity, the notes, right? These are not really compulsory, but if it's relevant to your business, you want to see all these details, then you can input, and you can also attach a support document. Like, okay, the receipt for this particular payment, you want to attach it to this particular payment, then you can do that, right? But it's not compulsory, but you can do that. So let's go ahead to record our payment. So recording our payment, okay, it's saying the customer is inactive. Please enter an active customer. All right. Okay, so the customer is inactive. Let's choose another customer. We could just go to the customer screen, like, to make it active, but let's choose another one, and let's see. All right. Okay. So this one is 97,500. So let's make 90,000. Can we make 90,000? Yes. So if there are bank charges, just like I said earlier, let's go ahead. You can attach a support document, just like I said. So record payments. Yes. So we've been able to record payment for this particular customer. Now, all the payments you are recording for the invoices that are being, raised for a particular or this particular customer will be shown here. So we have the invoice of the 90,000 naira we just made now, and we can see it reflects on the invoice of seeing that, okay, we have a total payment of 100,000. The VAT is 7.5, and the withholding is 10k, and that's 7,500 the total, and we're able to make 90,000, and we have the remaining of 7,500. So that's how it reflects, and it's easy, it's seamless, it's not difficult to be able to do. And it goes the same way for a vendor too. You make payment for a vendor, how do you record it in the system is so simple, right? So if the customer have paid the remaining 7.5, you can easily still come here to make the remaining, or you just go to the payment received and select the customer and do it all over again. But I just showed you that to understand that you can simply just do it from from your invoices. Okay, it goes the way for a vendor because bills simply means your vendor invoices. That's what it means. It's the invoices that are being given to you by your vendors. You get, so you can easily just do the same thing by going to payments made, clicking on the plus button or the new button on the right hand side, or just going to your bills. You go to the bills, you choose the vendor. I'm coming. So let's choose ABC Limited. For ABC Limited is owing us 1,000. I mean, we are owing. So let's choose ABC Limited. We are owing them 1,000, so we are recording 100 naira. 100 naira, but let's just record 800. Pay through cash. It's important that you specify if it's through cash or through bank transfer. And let's choose Stanley Bank machine and a support document if need be, and then save. And there we go. We have a payment that we've made to our vendor and we've been able to record it in the system. So that's how you record your payment in Zoho Books. Don't forget to follow us for more and subscribe to our YouTube channel.